gonna try to clean up these edges, but once you get that liquid nail on there, it wants to start skinning up really quick like. So you don't have long to kind of mess with it before it starts skinning. Once you get a little skin on it, you just leave it alone. Okay? So I'm going to decide now whether or not I'm going to put another little piece of masking tape on there or not. You know, before I put the clamps. What would you do? Is there a right and wrong way to do this? You know? Do you have to put masking tape on here? I'm deciding to put some masking tape on here. And I don't have to put it exact this time. I want it close, but it just has to be where I'm going to have this clamped. Okay? I think this might help protect my clamps to a certain extent from pushing the masking tape backside in any further and affecting the mastic and getting the mastic all over my ends, remember? That's all I'm doing for right now, okay? I'll put a little bit of more masking tape on there and we'll be ready to clamp it. I think we're ready to clamp away. Now remember we had 3 here, so I'm going to put this first one up high, I guess, and then work my way down. Wow, these ends are sliding, so I'm just gonna take these off because they want to slide. I'm having a hard time. Wow, it's more slippery with these off. Guess I'm gonna put these back on. Wow. Try a different one. So I don't want to get this mastic all over. There it is. Okay. Right there. I've got mastic spooging out, and that's okay. On the back side, and I don't even think I'm going to wipe that off. Not even too concerned about that. You know? Just want to get this on here tight. And once the mastic dries, I can cut that off. It'll dry really hard. You know? See how that mastic is spooging? Oh, man. I use both hands here. Just don't want to get it all over my clamps if I can help it. That's what I'm trying to prevent here. This door is 1 1/8 inches thick. Let's see what it is. Oh, I'm sorry, 1 3/8 inches. This door. And you've got doors that are 1 3/4 inches. So these clamps are probably good for 1.5 inches. See all that extra glue that's come out of there? I could maybe clean some of that off so it doesn't get all over. But you know, I think I'm going to just leave it alone. It's okay. This top clamp, this was the area right here I put that extra on. That was that hardboard, the outside corner there, and I think I'm going to roll that up and maybe position that one a little different there. I wish right on that corner, more so from there down. Yeah, that's better. I like that. I could position this other clamp up a little bit, but you know, I think the middle clamp is all right where it is, but you know, if I could split the difference, go up just a hair like that. Okay, that's good. All right, heavy duty liquid nail, do your stuff. I'm gonna let it set just like this overnight. Thing about liquid nail, you've got to let it set up properly. You take those clamps off too quick, it's not going to harden up all the way. If I take those clamps off like in an hour from now, you might think, oh, the clamps are fine, everything's tight. Then you walk away from it and then it gradually expands out a little bit because the liquid nail is not dry inside. You've got to have that dry before you take those clamps off of there. Oh yeah.